Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to retrieve your Outlook QR code for an Authenticator app within 5 minutes. Setting this up is vital for securing your account, as it adds a secondary layer of protection via two-factor authentication. To begin, head over to the official Outlook login site. You can find this by searching for Outlook login or visiting the Microsoft 365 Outlook page directly. Once there, hit the Sign In button, usually located on the right. Input your email and password carefully, as you must access your account to generate the code. After logging in, you will arrive at your primary inbox where your messages are displayed. From here, our goal is to locate the Help menu. Look toward the top of your screen or the main navigation bar for the Help tab. This area contains various settings, including security features. Within the Help menu, find and select the Outlook Mobile option. Exploring these mobile features is helpful for managing mail on the go. Clicking this will lead you to the QR code setup for your Authenticator. Now, click on the QR code link. This is the specific code you need to scan into your app to link your account securely. If you are unsure how to scan it, most Authenticator apps feature an Add Account or Scan QR Code button. Select that option and point your smartphone camera at the code on your computer screen. Once scanned, your Outlook account will appear in the app alongside a time-sensitive verification code. You will use this code during future logins to confirm your identity. That covers the entire process of getting your QR code. In just a few minutes, you have enabled two-factor authentication to protect your data. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe online.